All right, here we go, here we go. Look at us. We are heading to, what we got? What we got? Oh, we got Underground back here. Look at Underground. He's wearing the hoodie.
You tell me I don't make money online. I'm gone.
We just made some money online, didn't we?
How much did we make?
Well, $1,500 in about 10 minutes.
10 minutes, $1,500.
Yeah.
Free traffic.
We got a really sexy Lyft driver. Hi, how are you? That's a rare find.
Yeah.
And we got Ross in the back and myself.
Yo.
We are heading to Rancho Santa Fe.
Yes, sir.
To a mansion to do a little internet marketing. We'll catch you guys when we get there. Mr. Underground, thanks for having us at your house.
Absolutely.
How you doing, bro? Nice to see you. You good? So what do we got? What do we got?
So, you guys came here today, and I promised to show you some cool shit. So let me get some stuff. Let me get something from the vault for you guys. So, what kind of system do you want? Something that everyone can do?
Yeah, I mean, let's do something that's like not too complicated, but you know, people can take and make some money right now.
All right, so this is gonna sound crazy, but Elon Musk has this, I have this too. I have 7 parts of my brain that I can make subconscious, so I can make my subconscious conscious. So let me talk to him real quick. Okay, I got the perfect thing.
Okay.
All right, anyone can do this and anyone can make money with this. So this is called, this is if you don't have a product, your customers make your product for you, okay? It doesn't have a name. So I first did this a couple years ago. It worked awesome, and I just stopped doing it because it makes $5,000, $6,000, and I moved on and make a lot more money. So here's how it works.
Okay.
You set up a blog, and you just put a form on there, and use Aweber or anything, and you film a video, and you say, I'm making the world's ultimate course on X. And you can use how to do pull-ups, how to do push-ups, anything, right? Like I'm making the world's ultimate course on how to build muscle quickly without naturally using a vegan diet. Literally any niche you want, anything you can think of, I'm making the world's ultimate course. And then you have an opt-in box and you say, give me your top 3 questions about X, whatever that is, and I'll give you a free version of the course when it's finished, okay? So you put that in your social media, and whatever that question is, people give you, and you're gonna get so many people that are gonna give you question.
Okay.
And you're gonna get all the answers, top 3 questions. You take all those top 3 questions, you send them to an outsourcer on Odesk. The outsourcer, you tell them, hey, go on Google and Google search all these questions, and then under that question, find the Google result and put the answer under that question.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah, it does.
So you get an outsourcer and you say, hey, go Google search all of these questions. And it could be, hey, what's your top 3 questions about how to market Spotify, right? And people are like, oh, where's the offer, blah, blah, blah. And then you take that document and you find what's called a ghostwriter on Odesk. And they are everywhere. Retired English teachers, and they will write you an entire 200-page ebook for, under $100, because these are retired professors and they're just looking to make extra money, okay?
Okay, yeah.
So you just give them the document with all the questions, and it was like 200 pages, right? With all the questions and all the answers. And then you have them convert that into an ebook.
Okay.
And they just read through it. And then what you do is you have all those person's 3 questions, and you have their email address. So you email them a free copy of the ebook when it's finished. Now inside the ebook, you're actually going to use that to upsell them into a $19 course.
Okay.
So in the end of the ebook, you're like, all right, if you want more, here's a link, and you send them to a sales page, to affiliate offer. You just load the ebook up with any type of affiliate. So whatever you're selling, you put clickbank offers inside that ebook. You can take that ebook and then make it into a home study course. You can make DVDs out of it and then sell it to the same people for $2,000, $3,000. But it's basically getting a product. It's making a product without making a product. You have your customers make the product for you. Another ninja secret, right after they opt in, I have a video. I make this video and I say, hey, you know, I send out free t-shirts and free swag in the mail all the time. So click the button below and enter your full shipping address because I randomly send out free stuff to all my subscribers. So enter all your shipping info below, and you create what's called a direct mailing list. No one is doing this because everyone's gotten so lazy on the internet. But what you do is you take your mailing list, okay? And you can go to these websites and take what are called these widgets, all right? And it's something weird, like a drilled out bullet shell, okay? I can give you the URL, but what you do is you load all your addresses in there. And what I like to do is send a USB jump drive and do direct mail. No one does direct mail anymore. Direct mail is extremely effective, but no one does it because they're so lazy on the internet. So then you have their mailing address, you have their email address, and you have a course created for free by someone who just lands on your landing page. So it's like, I forgot the name I used to call it, but it's like, I mean, you get the course is created by the customers. It's simply the best. And then they actually see, they're reading through the ebook and they see the questions they answered,
right,
they asked, answered, right? So they convert better on whatever offer you have in the input. So yeah, that's one of my simple ways that I can make money.
All right, man. Like appreciate it. Yeah, it's great, man. That's good stuff. Definitely an underground method. So we didn't really mention much about you. This is Jordan. Jordan Schultz. We are in his crib and it is the underground strategy session. So that's about it for today. We'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Thanks.